Yo, Jamaica, yo, on love me, man. Love me, man. Sometimes I name more, but I've been a bumbo king round here. NTV now sell the car. Them now auction the car. A matter of fact, car selling stop at Jamaica. That's a news item. Say no, I'll top up the screen, cheer up the live. Car selling stop. You know, Jamaica got enough car there. We lack of the car shipness now. And the woman them to blood clean. We don't know nothing about car now. Right? We don't have all car now. But we don't know one shit. What we do, if even the blood clean light in the ceiling, go away. All you have to do is knock the bulb 2 times. Because the bulb is loose little and she gone and mechanic and the mechanic dirty junk or shit. Tell her, say, let's park it up. Park it up over there, man. So and tomorrow when he go a man in him tell him, all him do, he change the bulb, The bulb no want change, all him have to do is rock the sitting 2 times. But him change the bulb just for charger and tell him, say, pull out this and him pull out and the carburetor and the generator and the muffler, all them things there for organize and blame up and him catch our money. And that's why the car, that's why we have so much car. And the bank lend him money to expand up and that and lend share money to get them nearly 1 and 2, 3, 4 more and lend the parts place some money for buy the parts so the damn mechanic man really use him just a buy it for milk. Yo, Jamaica, yo, on love me, man. Love me, man. Sometimes I name more, but I've been a bumbo king round here.
Ah, yeah, now I'm a king of Jamaica. Cause I am a money man.